Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I just wanted to talk about how I grew my channel to my first 1,000 subscribers. And for a couple years, even longer really, I've been just stagnant at about 500 to 600 subscribers. I wasn't getting very far very fast, and so I started making a concerted effort to grow my channel, and it worked. So this is just some encouragement to you guys out there who are frustrated. Just know that if you put in the effort, you do your research, there's so much information out there about how to grow your channel. You can do it, and I did it, and I'm really excited about the future, and I feel empowered now that I've seen some success from putting this effort in and having it pay off. So without further ado, I'm going to give you my 5 tips on what I did that they were really effective in helping me grow my channel. Tip number 1 is to upload more videos. Every time I upload a new video, I get a lot more subscribers than during downtimes between new video uploads. So it's really important to upload new videos and do it regularly. And one of the reasons it's important to do it regularly is that people see that your channel is active, they're more likely to subscribe. If they come to your channel, see one video they like, enjoy it, they're not going to subscribe unless they see that you are uploading new content frequently and it's content they're interested in. Which leads into my second tip, which is upload videos that are kind of related to each other as much as possible, so that when someone comes to your channel, for example, like me, watercolor painting, they find a lot more to watch and they kind of binge on your channel. That shows the YouTube algorithm that your video content is interesting, and it tells the algorithm to send more people your way. So you want to make sure that once you get someone on your channel, once they subscribe, they keep clicking on more of your videos, so that algorithm knows that you are an interesting channel to the people who visit you. So that's one of the reasons why you hear that advice so frequently of niching down, which means staying focused on the topic that your channel is about. If you're doing an art channel, don't be uploading gardening videos unless it's how to paint in your garden. So you want to keep all your content as related as possible, but different enough so that each video gives your viewer new information that they want to watch. My next tip is to make sure that you're engaging with your viewers. What does that mean? That means whenever they leave a comment, make sure that you comment back. And if you can, ask them a question so they leave another comment. In your videos, ask questions to encourage people to comment. Ask your close friends and if you have a following anywhere on social media, ask them to come comment on your videos, because that tells the algorithm that people are interested in your content and they want to comment. And then when you comment back, that just keeps that ball rolling, and it helps your YouTube videos get found and shown by the YouTube algorithms. So you want to make sure people are hitting the like button, making comments, and that you're responding to every single comment you get. And when you're a small channel, 1,000 subscribers and less, you can do that. Once you get bigger, you probably can't answer every single comment, but right now, this is the time to really be engaging with your viewers, pulling them into your channel and getting them to stay on your videos and comment. Tip number 4 is to specifically ask your viewer to subscribe and hit the bell button so that they get notified to come back to your channel for your new videos. And you want to make sure that you're asking them questions, you're asking them to like your video, and you're engaging them in the video, and you're encouraging them to like and comment on your video. So tip number 4 is to ask your viewers to subscribe and to also like your video. And those are just 2 more things that subscribers can do to show the YouTube algorithm that they find your channel and your content interesting, so that YouTube will send them to your channel again. Okay, this is the final tip, and the one that I'm most excited about because it has helped me so much. It's been so exciting and empowering to feel like I can do something that really sends viewers to my channel. And that is, I post my new videos on Facebook groups. Now, keep in mind that Facebook is competing with YouTube. They don't want Facebookers to leave Facebook and go to YouTube. So I recommend not mentioning in your post that you have a YouTube video, putting your link in the post. I wouldn't do that. What I do is I say, hey, look at my new painting, blah, blah, blah. By the way, I just did a video about it, and in the comments below, I will put a link. So that's what I do. I make a really interesting post. I use really my best work for these posts and for these videos, and then I make the post, and then I go to the comment section and I put the link to YouTube. And you guys, it has been working so great. I've really gotten a lot of new subscribers, and I think there are people that actually want to watch my channel. They want to see my content, and so I think they'll be good subscribers, and they'll keep coming back to my channel. And I guess the YouTube algorithm, from what I've learned, watches your new subscribers, especially in their behavior. Do they go back to your videos? Do they watch the whole video, or do they watch half the video then leave? So that's very important, to not just try to get subscribers anywhere. That's why you don't want to go spam other channels and say, hey, sub for sub, like you see so often. Don't do that, because your subscribers need to really be truly and sincerely interested in you and your channel. And the other tip that I have regarding the Facebook groups is, don't just go on Facebook groups either and spam them, because the moderators will just kick you off. If you keep spamming their group, they're not going to let you stay. You want to be active in that group. You want to be giving constructive comments to other people who post in those Facebook groups, and sharing your own tips and ideas with those followers, so that you are part of that community. You are a welcome part of that community, and you're not just there spamming and advertising your YouTube channel. So be sure to be a good steward of whatever social media community you're a part of. Okay, you guys, so that is it. Those are my 5 tips, and it's been really exciting the last month or two to finally get to 1,000 subscribers. If you would like to follow me more closely and get more exclusive content from me, you can join my Patreon, and I will put a link below to that. Be on the lookout for other videos that I've done. I just did a video about how much money exactly I made with my art on eBay and Etsy, so that might interest you. And also, of course, subscribe and hit the bell button, hit the like, send me a comment. See, I'm taking my own advice. So anyway, I really enjoyed making this video. I hope it helps you guys as much as it has helped me, and good luck, and stay in touch on your YouTube journey. Bye.